A few moments later.
What thing?
Still morning. Morning,
Oh,
how are you?
Morning. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. Beautiful day to be out on the water.
Oh,
it
that's what
is.
we thought.
Yeah.
I'll try not to hold you up too far from that.
No worries.
I'm from Marine Safety, probably work that out.
Yeah.
We do vessel safety and compliance checks.
Okay.
I do need to tell you that I wear a body-worn camera that records video and audio.
Yeah.
And it's far better for me to check a boat before it goes out in case something's not right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Than if you're out on the water and
I'd rather
then
that.
it gets a bit more expensive.
Absolutely.
So happy to avoid all of that where we I'm just going to copy and paste some of the rego details. If you happen to carry your boat licence, either paper or you can load it onto the MySAGov app. So okay, so onto safety equipment. Great to see you guys have got your life jackets on. It's just under that length where you have to have them on at all time. But it's even on days like today, it's just a good idea for everyone to have them on.
It is.
With the life jackets, they're the Australian standard 4758, so they're the current and only compliant type of life jacket now. So that's excellent. With the inflatables, might not have been explained to you, there are servicing requirements every 12 months, and it's a case of the title website will tell you. But there's a red mouthpiece, you manually inflate the jacket, then there's a gas cylinder, you check the condition of it and the weight of it and the condition of everything else, and you can sign off on the jacket that you've done.
Oh, everything new with the boat.
Well look, this will be a nice easy one for me.
Marine guys help me out.
Here's me spotting the one that's the newest and most likely to have his needs. But I always prefer to talk to people before they go out rather than once they've come in. It's sort of a bit late then. Okay, inflatable. We've talked about servicing, and these were new a couple of months ago, so that's good. We've talked about that. So many boxes to tick. We've talked about wearing requirements. A fire extinguisher. Now I can see it down there. I just need to. Now whether you can spot that from where you are, the pressure gauge will be pointing, hopefully, in a certain colour.
Yes. No, I'll take it out. That's all right. I didn't know where else to bloody put the thing.
Yeah. And it's in the green, which is great. It's 1 kilo, which is what you need, or 900 grams is enough. Now, a bucket with a bit of rope attached, and that's used for bailing water or for throwing in a fire.
That is, I think, in that corner.
Now, it's a collapsible bucket.
That's fine. That's fine. Initially, people were a bit confused and thought it had to be a metal fire bucket.
Well, we thought it did too.
Yeah, they've eased up on that a little bit, which is good. And the lanyard on there, which is great. And the idea with the lanyard is that you can dip the bucket over the side, grab a bucket of water and pull it back up without you burning half hour fire. So that's excellent. A waterproof buoyant torch. I can see the anchor. Torch, paddles and flares are the last ones.
Right, let me get rid of this crap. Got flares?
Yep, and if you have a look on the side of each flare, they print on it much as they do on a milk carton to give you an expiry date. You might need to roll it around. It'll be just under this labelling. They're all facing out. There we go, 0128. So they're great. That's excellent.
And then a buoyancy torch.
Yep, excellent. And that's working, I take it?
It should be.
Yep.
Yes.
Make sure you turn it off before you lock it back. And last but not least is some paddles, just in case you have to.
Yep, they're just.
Oh yes, I can see them. Great, thank you
just
very
there.
much. And I'll make a note of the flare expiry, and hopefully that'll help whoever the next inspector is that needs to check that and go, oh no, everything's good, and leave them alone. All compliant. Guys, thank you very much for your time.
Worries.
Have a great day out on the water. Do you have any questions for me before I turn the camera on?
No.
I think quite happy at the moment.
Easy. All right, and just remember it's 4 knots all the way out here. And 4 knots is literally just motoring through the water without any wash and wake. And if you've got it on your plotter, so much the better.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
Cool. Okay, leave you to it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
lot of weed. All right, let's see what happens.
Yep.
Yep, I got a nice one. This is on, yeah, plastic.
Yeah, right.
But not big bites though. What do you got? Tiger shark? Oh, you got double header of a puffer and
Oh,
something else.
look at that.
Nice. We're eating tonight. No, we're not. Right, puffer.
And whatever those are.
I don't know.
Yeah, because I keep catching them.
Yeah, oh well. You never know.
Oh, it's 3 fish.
Gee, I haven't caught anything. It's just there's a lot of weed here. What do you got this time? I see some silver. Oh, another one of those fish.
It's getting a bit bigger.
Yeah, but I don't know what they are.
Is that what everyone's catching?
Nah.
Maybe
I reckon they're little shitties. I reckon that's what they are. No, I'm going to stop squidding. That's no good. Too much weed. Oh, what the hell have you got there? Oh, another big puffy.
Oh, he's big.
Yeah, just wait. I'm just trying to put my hook back on. Yeah, he is a big puffy.
Yeah.
Puff Diddy. Wow, he is big. Stop it. There you go.
Much, much, much later.